Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be talking about the 11 best earning apps without any investments. So first up, one of the apps you can do is Cash Karma. It gives you reward cards, gift cards and stuff like that. So $50 gift card, $10 gift card, stuff like that. I would say you're better off doing the surveys rather than doing the scratch and stuff, because the surveys, they actually provide you way more than the scratching. If you're lucky, yeah, you're gonna win big on the scratch, but it's better off to do the surveys. Then the other app is MCent. It's also like a survey. All you gotta do is do some surveys, that's it. So yeah, I know Swagbucks because I've used Swagbucks before in a long time ago. It's a good app. I would recommend Swagbucks. I've used it, which is why I would actually recommend it. You can get gift cards or cash depending on how much, and apparently you get a $10 bonus whenever you join up. So that's that. So you scan grocery receipts, you earn money back, like cashback. You get cashback, so it's kind of like an investment because you do have to go grocery shopping to get that. And you can always do surveys. So if you want to earn a lot from Swagbucks, you will have to do groceries and all that. So it's kind of like an investment, but then again, groceries, we need that for our daily life. So yeah, I would actually recommend Swagbucks. Then you got earn money with free guy. Honestly, all these other ones, I would say you can get the Google opinion rewards because it is by Google, and the surveys you will earn money, like a good amount by Google. But other than that, yeah, I really don't recommend any of these other applications because I've never used them. So I have no idea about them, and me being me, I don't like recommending things to others which I personally haven't used. If I have to recommend something, I would recommend Swagbucks and Google Opinion Rewards, because these two I've used and I know for a fact that they do give you money for doing surveys and other stuff. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.